下来。
Start again.
好，再一次。
I feel dizzy.
老师就觉得有点。
Start. I'm only throwing the breath from nose.
就更注意的是呼。
Because I practice too much of breathing techniques, silent secret techniques. My breathing is very. I can do this for a long time.
因为老师他的呼吸练得非常多，他基本上呼出来的气需要更大量的氧气输进才行。就是说，老师在呼这一个时候可能会非常的用力，所以说老师不能做这么久。
You do slowly, as much as you are comfortable.
好，我们慢慢的加入呼吸，舒服的做这个动作。
Start.
开始。
Sit down.
蹲下。
Do you feel any change in the body from here upwards?
能感受到我们身体上部分比下部分有一些的不一样，从这儿到这儿，能感受到。
Can you feel at least one drop of little sweating?
有没有
You sit on chair, no problem. I don't want you to strain.
如果说你这个拉伸的动作是吧？
I know that you are strain. We are all used to it. We are not used to it. Exercise. So
可以
we
说
want
是
you to use
选
chair.
择一些轻松点的。
Do you have any specific problem? Neck, back pain, and other things?
你的脊椎、肩还有其他地方有没有说脊椎突出这些类别的骨髓问题？ back pain yes。
Which one of them?
好，我们做一两个旋转的。
I want to give a little break because I want your body to recover from this challenge which you have given by breathing.
因为我们平时对呼吸的这种强烈的训练比较少所以说身体要说一下子适应的话，我们以休息一下去恢复。
This is very secret technique of few. It's not just one technique. There are few techniques. It's one of the technique of Tibetan monks where they can sit naked in any snow place absolutely without getting cold by just working on the breathing and the mind.
在印度呢，或者说在很多地方有那种冰人挑战，就是在很冷的地方就是赤身的那种，其实而且还不动就是这种方法以呼吸、以大脑的思维的结合来达到体温的升高。
That's the first ever research conducted in medical field is monks will sit with cold ice dipped cover and they cover their body.
我们现在有一些冰人挑战赛，就是自己直接整个围在冰里面，他们不能动，用指通过呼吸。
They generate body heat here up, this place, from head till the chest area, and that cold covering will become steam.
因为我们人最重要的部位就是心脏、大脑，那种冰桶挑战赛的人呢，他就会把热量集中在这个区域，让这个部分的冰呢会得到一定的融化，然后呢不会说造成这些部位的损伤，它才能够坚持更久的时间。那么我们相似的是在极具我们的温度然后呢，脂肪其实不一定是说练腰就是瘦腰有些时候你练的是心脏，那么心脏的跳动带动了很多地方的温度的增加，然后呢，造成了我们脂肪的一些减脂肪作用。
Abdominal technique. Where they lie down,
对于我们的腹部的一个锻炼方法，
bend their legs, turn like this. First one time, their head turn towards right and their legs turn towards this.
待会儿这个动作可能就是相当于我们
For her, we will do. For you, you should do it on your own with this breathing technique.
于是就是弯过来。
I'll show you. If somebody wants to come, then I can show you. I'm not good in. You are lying down like this.
先躺下，
You fold your legs, lift like this, and head like this.
手这样子，
This exclusively, my focus is on
这
upper.
就是完完全全的注意到了我们的腹部。
What you're making your elbow
我们待
and
会儿
the
和我
toes.
们的
You'd
手
like
指
to make an
和脚
alignment
往
like this.
同一个方向转，这样子转，这样转。如果说脊椎有毛病的，可以换一种方法。
It's easy, lazy technique of mine to reduce weight.
其实仰卧起坐呢，比这个办法更剧烈一点，但是这个方法其实也能够。
So my movement for the patients is,
腹部，
I'll say you work on the upper body, I work on the lower body.
你就注意你的上半身都行了，他帮你弄下半身。
No, not lifting. You're coming like
你
this.
不需要往上，你就左右动，左右动，不需要往上就左右。
You're coming like this.
你就感觉你的腰是在往左边
Your angle of movement is like this, yes?
你就注意你的手肘，你就感觉
Not
你
too
的手
much.
肘在引导
Okay,
你，
see this?
不用你的腰去引导你，用你的
So
手
say both of us right. Say right.
先想右，
One,
一，
center,
然后左，
left.
中
Center,
间，
right.
右，中
Center,
间，左，
left.
中
Center,
间，
right.
右，中间。
Left. We'll do this 40 times.
你们做40次左右。如果说腰部比较疼痛的，可以简单这样子就行了，这样就行啊，不用这样
She can do some 10 times. No problem.
这样子有一定的支撑，有一定的支撑。脚和手是同一方向啊。脚和手是同一方向
Yeah, we。should do it very slowly. All focus should be on the abdomen.
这个就是减腹部，减腹
In
部。
between, take rest.
动作是这样子的，你是注意手肘，手这边，这边这个是手肘，不是腰，然后你的脚，这样对，不是你的腰往上，是手肘。注意的是自己的手肘，不是腰往上，而是手肘在往左右的感觉。
Ask her. You try this. In between again, take rest like this. Again do it.
可以做一次，放下休息，做一次。
So you will do this. Now you will be doing with the breathing. For her is plain. For you it's with breathing.
其他的人呢，如果说能做到，就还可以加入呼吸。
Will you be able to do?
能加入呼吸的就加，不能加的就正常呼吸。
You see the difference? You work on the breathing will help you a little bit with the legs.
如果说你的呼吸加入了，效果会更明显。
用眼看不见吗？
Now pelvis should not be moved. Pelvis is constant. You are only moving this.
做要吃
按小时吃完，不用动往前慢，可以不用动慢。
Relax.
好，收。
Do you feel pain in your abdomen?
能感受得到我们腹部会比较明显疼痛感。
Yes.
Just one technique. I used this first time in very huge lady. She is absolutely scared of yoga asanas because she cannot even sit. Her tummy is so big.
因为仰卧起坐的话，这个动作就不可能对于那种腹部非常大的人，所以说干脆就左右不用向上，这是对于锻炼腹部的一个，可以说对于那种特别肥胖的人的一个唯一的办法锻炼腹部。
And because of that fat lady, I designed this technique of working with the breathing and the simple body movement.
就是因为那个很肥的女士，她不能做仰卧起坐，然后呢，她就只能通过左右的移动，然后呼吸的加入来锻炼腹部。
So secret here what I am giving is work on the breathing fast. Choose any simple asanas which you want.
其实这个今天老师讲课的很多的原理就是， 简单的动作加入呼吸啊，就能够达到减肥的效果。
I'll teach some 4 asanas for her. Let her keep doing. I'll come back to you again.
然后呢，可以教一些简单动作给你，然后加入呼吸。
Then you sit like this.
先像这样子做，像这样子做，
Mamanda. Left hand on the right.
慢慢的，左手在右
Right
脚
hand
上，
at the back.
右手在，左手在右脚上，左手在右脚上，
Yeah. And slowly turn.
慢慢的转，慢慢
Go back.
慢慢的转，一直是慢，慢慢
Wait
地
for about 5 seconds.
然后
Again
转回来
turn like
慢
this.
手，转回来，慢手，转回来，慢手，啊，这样子坚持。
Okay, that is for her slow movement. Let her do 10 times. After that, she has to split legs
然后
and keep doing like this again.
这样子，啊，
You see, you just see what we are doing, but you should keep doing this. You see us, but you just keep doing this for about 10 times.
如果在后面的动作当中，你觉得那些动作你不能做的，就做这个。
Okay. Others will do fast movement with this breathing.
我们待会儿呢，其他的人加入呼吸，还要速度快一些的做。
If not, you do keep doing.
你继续，这个，
We'll start like this.
我们可能会加入呼吸，像这样子。
Focus on your abdomen. See my voice.
腹部啊，
See my voice. My voice changes so much because there is some changes in my body because of the change in the breathing.
因为我们老师的呼非常用力，所以说他的体位得到很大的变化。
Let your legs
弹开，转，转，转，转，转，转，转，转，
slow down.
慢下来，
Relax.
放松以后。
Can you feel some changes in your abdomen?
腹部有没有加热的感觉？
Now
Yes.
we'll do
You will feel a little pain。
abdomen or
肚子还是背？
those are okay. That's
肚
good.
子是对的，肚子对的。
It means that your body's requirement is increasing and body wants your muscles to get tired fast.
因为我们这个呼吸就是说，本来实际上意思就是供氧不足的情况下，让你的肌肉很快的就累了，肌肉累了之后就只能靠肥肉了，然后就是更多的在运动肥肉。
Next practice is Bhu Namana. Bhu means earth. Namana means salutation. When you do go down and you say namaste to each other, like that we are bending down and saying namaste to earth. Like this.
这个动作跟我们中国里面的问好一个意思啊，我们这个只不过这个问好是像地球问好，然后
Okay.
这种感觉啊。
Main work is around hip joint and abdomen.
我们的动作的要领或者锻炼它的部位是臀部。
Don't expect me to stretch like this. Don't mind me.
因为老师的解释就是说应该不会很延伸，当然尽量根据自己的情况啊。
Get up slowly.
起，慢慢的转身，朝下，
Focus on your abdomen.
注意我们的腹部，回来，
For that lady, it's only this much.
你的话就
Only this much. Get up.
好
Twist.
转弯，
For that lady. Only little bit.
起转，
See, let me see how she.
呃
Okay, others you can do fast. Only for
有
her,
背痛吗？
slow.
在这个动作过程当中有背痛吗？那不得
You don't do much exercise because it works. It needs the hand support.
因为这些动作都需要手支撑啊，所以说你慢慢的做，不要说比较快，慢慢的做。
Others will do fast. You are dizzy already.
其他的人就快点，有没有头晕的感觉？因为这个动作会更加的收缩眼。好，开始继续跟着老师。哎，好，继续。转，转，转，转，转。